Green veggie causes diabetes type 2 in millions. Did you know breaking research reveals there's a green veggie that worsens blood sugar levels? Find out which healthy veggie is silently making your diabetes type 2 a living hell. What is that diabetes inflaming green veggie is? Is it zucchini, bell pepper, peas, kale? I was stunned when I found out that this one veggie could be so harmful. However, scientific studies show that it's absolutely true. The high levels of lethal toxins in this common veggie are banned in Europe. Yet when they accumulate in your body, they attack the pancreas and liver, and making it impossible to regulate your blood sugar. If you do everything right but you feel you're getting nowhere with your blood sugar control, this could be the missing piece of the puzzle that's been holding you back from a healthy, happy, fulfilled long life. Check link in video description to find that one common veggie that's raising your blood sugar levels. Discover the one common veggie to avoid that spikes your blood sugar levels. Say goodbye to your pain, frustration, fear and start enjoying life again like before. Visit link in video description to find out what this diabetes inflaming green veggie is. To your good